The automated line technician plays a key role in the manufacturing process used to create life-saving medicine. You will provide technical and administrative support in the installation and operation of automated production and/or assembly lines. You will collaborate with engineering, quality, maintenance, and other functions of the business to keep the equipment operational and accomplish production objectives. You will become a trusted partner in efforts to troubleshoot a section of the production line, operate the equipment, and establish test methods. You will also provide input in updating and maintaining SOPs and best practices related to quality and safety for the production line. The automated line tech has many responsibilities and can be assigned multiple tasks each day. You will utilize your advanced manufacturing skills, knowledge of total production management, lean systems, and prior work experience with mechatronics to inspect and operate the automated equipment in the production line, which includes various advanced computer and robotic systems. The position also requires sorting and separating products for quality control. This position requires physical activity every day for up to 12 hours, including loading and unloading various items, standing and working on concrete surfaces, bending at the knees and waist, occasionally lifting 50 pounds from floor height to waist level and shoulder level heights on a repetitive basis. After demonstrating proficiency in the role, you may be eligible for more advanced production operator training and promotions within the automated line tech job family. Joining the Fresenius medical care team as an automated line technician in one of our advanced manufacturing locations can lead to a very rewarding career. Your work with us matters. The contributions you make will be both vital and extraordinary, helping people live longer, better, and healthier lives. If you have previous advanced manufacturing experience and secondary education and/or training in mechatronics, robotics, industrial maintenance, or military service, let's talk. We are looking for new team members and would like to show you more.